Okay, let's do simplifying expressions. So an expression is a collection of letters and numbers, and each part of an expression is called a term. So for instance, if we have maybe 3x squared plus 4, let's say all over 7, for instance, this is an expression, as it's just a collection of letters and numbers. To turn this into an equation, I like to say that we have the equal sign, maybe let's say equals to 3. So once we put the equal sign here, this now essentially turns into an equation. Okay, let's do this one here. So we have 12s to the power of 5 t to the power of 2 divided by 24s t to the power of 7. Okay, so 12 divided by 24 is 0.5. It's a half essentially, which is 0.5. But I'm just going to put a half like so. So now we have s to the power of 5 divided by s. So one thing we need to remember is our index laws. So essentially, because we are dividing powers, we're going to do 5 subtract 1 using that index law. So 5 subtract 1 is 4, so it's going to be s to the power of 4. T to the power of 2 and t to the power of 7, we're dividing. So because they both have the same base, which is t, we're going to do 2 subtract 7, which is minus 5. Okay, let's look at this one here. So we have in brackets 3rs squared, and then outside the bracket we have a power of 3. So first of all, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 to the power of 3, r to the power of 3. Then we're going to do s squared in brackets to the power of 3. One of the index law here is when we raise a power to another. So this 2 and this 3 here, when we raise a power to another, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 times by 3. Let's first start off with this one. So we have 3 to the power of 3 times by r to the power of 3 times by s, but because we are raising the power to each other, we're essentially doing 2 times by 3. So therefore, 3 cubed, which is 27, r to the power of 3, and 2 times by 3, which is 6. So s to the power of 6.